Looking for a seamless car servicing experience? We've got you covered. Combine the convenience of online shopping with the assurance of quality service from workshops. Go online, explore, and pick your desired total energy package of services. From a simple oil change to a full maintenance services package. Identify your need among a list of services. We'll then provide you with cost transparency. Made your choice? Schedule and book your appointment with any of our trusted partner workshops. After your appointment is confirmed, you can pay directly online. Head down to your selected workshop or give your car to one of our mechanics and leave your vehicle in expert hands. Now you can relax. Your car is receiving excellent care with our authentic Total Energy products. Simplicity, expert service, and quality products at your fingertips. Your click, our expertise.